Hi guys, so today we'll be making lemon Italian ice. And this is a super fun and exciting little treat to have on a hot summer day or just any time when you're in the mood for having a nice icy cold treat. So what you would need for the recipe is 4 tablespoons lemon, 1 cup of ice, 1 drop of stevia, and then mint to garnish if you do have it. So for the sake of time, I did squeeze a little of my lemon juice beforehand, but I'm kind of going to explain how to do it. So what you would do, if you have a lemon, as shown here, we have already juiced ours for the sake of the time, but you would just cut it directly in half. And you might need some parent assistance for that when using a knife. So it'd be great if you could get some help with that. And then what you're gonna do, I already have my halfly squeezed out lemon, but you would just squeeze it with your hands, or you could also use a juicer. But it's super fun to squeeze it. So you just squeeze it and you get it into a bowl. So you need 4 tablespoons of lemon. Then 1 cup of ice, which I have in a mug here, so you may need a little bit more, but we'll kind of eyeball as we go to see if we need to make any adjustments. So you have that cup of ice, and then the stevia. I actually do not have stevia, but for a little more sweetness, that's a great addition. But make sure for the stevia, you add 1 drop only per each lemon. And then the mint, I actually have some mint growing in my garden right now outside, but it is not fully ready yet. So I do not have that, but if you have that, it's a great little touch to top, and it makes it super cool and super exciting. So I have my blender here, so I'm gonna show you what I'm adding after we have cut the lemon in half, and then we squeezed it as I had shown, which is squeezing it into a bowl. So we are gonna start by juicing the lemon, which we have done, and then add the juice to the blender. So here's my juice here. Try to show you guys. And I'm gonna pour it into my blender. So that is the first step of this recipe. And you may have a little more, you may have a little less. Try to get it as equal as you can to the 4 tablespoons. Then the 1 cup of ice, which I measured as shown in a measuring cup prior, but you will need 1 cup. So make sure you have a 1 cup measuring cup, but I put it all in my mug. And we may need a little more, but we're kind of gonna watch as we go. Then you would add the stevia if you have it. So now I'm gonna top my blender, and we're gonna go over and we're gonna blend it. Sorry if this is a little bit loud too, guys, but this will get you guys to be able to see the consistency you want, and you kind of have to watch it. So now I'm gonna start my blending. Wow. She looks super, super yummy and a really good consistency already. This looks amazing. But I think it's helpful, my back is frame, if you grab a spoon, which I have here, and just kind of move it around in the mix a little. We could have gotten a little more, but this looks great. So I am gonna blend it up a little more after you mix it up with your spoon for maybe like 10 seconds. I'm gonna mix it a little more, and then I'll kind of show you all the consistency you want. So it's like a slushy. So this looks great. Looks super good. So I think it's ready to be served. And another super exciting part about this recipe is hopefully you should be keeping one of your halves. So what we did is we peeled out with a spoon and kind of get it as much as you can. It's okay if you can't get it fully out. Kind of get out the inside of the lemon, just to make sure you're eating it in the lemon rind. So that makes it more fun. So you can literally eat it right out of the lemon that you prepared. So now I'm gonna take my blended drink and I'm gonna scoop some out, make it into the nice, you're only gonna be able to fit, kind of gonna have to scoop it as it fits. So you might even have to do like a few rounds or put it in multiple lemons. I'm just gonna show you in one. And then this looks super cute. It almost looks like a little cone with some ice cream, but it's so much healthier, and it's a lemon rind and lemon Italian ice, which is super good. Remember, if you add that stevia, you'll have a little drop of sweetness, and the mint garnish, which is in our garden right now. I wish I could put it on for you guys. You could add that as well. But it looks super yummy. Oh, it smells super good. Be a great summer treat. And I hope you guys enjoy making it. Bye!